Today is Thursday, November 24, 2022. You get wetin God showed me last month, October, concerning this election when they go do in Nigeria next year about this presidential election. So what God showed me, I'm not putting fear, make people fear, no. But what I want to say that day when they go do, the day when they go vote, I saw different people crying in different parts of Nigerians. People were crying. And there are a lot of shedding of blood. People were crying. So, but what I want to say that this coming election in Nigeria next year, which is 2023, this presidential election, please, I'm not saying this in so that you will not vote. I'm not against anybody to vote, but what I'm saying is what God showed me. So if you are coming out to vote, be vigilant, be watchful, be vigilant well, be vigilant. I pray that there are you that change the sound of my voice. This coming election will not take your life in the name of Jesus. I pray that it will not take your family in the name of Jesus. So let everybody be vigilant, because this coming election, I saw people crying in different parts of Nigeria, shedding of blood. So I don't know what is happening. So I don't know, but this is what I saw. So because I said before, then go beg you, then we pay you to come and vote them. And they will be the same people to send criminals to come and carry the ballot box and even butcher many people.